Shasta Trailers. What's up, baby?
It's the bike. That one. I saw that shit loaded in. That neon one.
You see the fire truck?
Yeah, and I saw the fire truck too.
I see the Corvette tennis ball. Serena. That's her name.
Bad boy right there too, or the 3-wheeler right there.
Man, what it do?
You know, we got the cars washed up, then we just put the plastic on them. We taking the plastic off early in the morning, then retouch them up and leave them all off. What's happening? What's happening? Y'all getting to see the little sneak peek at the NASCARs. That's a real Jimmy Johnson joint, our boy. These some others we having fun with.
Oh.
I see you.
We can't breed. I'm in North Carolina.
That motherfucker tough too.
I'll catch a trailway back if you would like to make an offer for Serena to breed Serena.
Woo!
Hey, we proud of you though. I just want to tell you we proud of you, man.
Y'all boys riding clean too. Much love. That nigga Ty say send nudes. That's some player shit.
No way.
All y'all bitches watching, send nudes. That's some player shit. That's some player shit.
Also,
I know what you are. You know.
That's that 57 Renzel, baby. Huh. All the food trucks be out here. We gonna be eating good. Y'all see the vibe. Everybody just talking about positive vibe, getting to the money. You know what I'm saying?
you see them bikes over there?
Oh, I see them bikes. I see them bikes. Woo! Whose on that is?
That's Lincoln.